A glass back on the Redmi Note 7 Pro adds more beauty aesthetically when you hold it in your hands. It will give much more satisfaction, and we got our hands on Space Black variant of Redmi Note 7 Pro. It just looks an ordinary color, so we made it from this to this. This is Redmi Note 7 Pro with a transparent glass over the back, and to me it gives much more satisfaction than black glass. We made it at our own studio and things really gone wrong at one time. So we don't want to suggest anyone to perform this task at home. You will lose your warranty, and just in case if the glass will slip from your hand, it can break because
my theory is that glass is glass and glass is still gonna break.
So things went like this. First we used a hair dryer to lose the adhesive from the glass panel. Now because it is a hair dryer, the temperature needs higher, so it required to use approx 7 to 8 minutes continuously. We used a razor blade to separate the panel, which we don't recommend to use, and thankfully we got success and removed back panel without breaking it. We separated the fingerprint sensor from the back. Now this is where things went wrong. The phone was not turning on and we started finding the solution on the web. And one that was working in every cases was let the battery die and then charge it again. So for the time we put that aside to discharge and started removing the colors. There are a total of 2 layers. We started removing it using the razor blade and made it transparent in the time battery dies. After a couple of hours the battery died and the mentioned method on the forum did not work in my case. We started analyzing internals and we found that the display flags has been cut. Now there was a half cut, so the touch was still working even from the black screen. Now on the Xiaomi's official website, the display costs around ₹3,999, but we were not ready for it. We went to the mobile market in our city where we met one person who said I can give my 100% to fix this, and thankfully he made it work because it was a small cut and it did cost me ₹600. Now I am so much happy that everything went well and the phone is working fine now. So we highly recommend not to do this at home. Transparent Redmi Note 7 Pro looks much more elegant than ordinary phones. And happiness is on the next level because it made by ourselves.